Well, happy holidays, Merry Christmas to one and all. I'm Bryan Diehl, your Port Ludlow real estate professional and professional landscape photographer. For your holiday gift giving and home and office decor, I just want to take a few minutes and show you what I've got on hand and ready to deliver before Christmas. So come on along and see if there's something here that might brighten your holiday spirits and make holiday shopping just a little easier for you. Enjoy. The photographs that I've included this year for our holiday special are all taken in mostly Port Ludlow, Pacific Northwest. A couple of them from further away. I've got one from Las Vegas just because it was one of my favorite pictures and I thought I'd include it. Got some Oregon beaches and Seattle area, primarily North Olympic Peninsula vacation destination pictures. If you have any questions about any of the pictures, feel free to call 360-821-9056 anytime. Also take emails at captainbry@yahoo.com, captnbry@yahoo.com. The prints that we're showing here are anywhere from 1.5 to 2 feet, 3 feet tall, by 3 to 5 feet in width. They are available in different sizes for custom orders, but probably won't make it by Christmas. They are printed on either metal that gives you some really, really spectacular colors, or on exposer fabric, which also you get a million different colors. The sharpness is amazing. Both ways they look beautiful. The metal will have a little bit more shine to it, so if you like a glossy finish, that's kind of where you want to go, even though there are some metal ones that are printed on matte. So just kind of read along to the right side of the picture to tell you whether it's on the exposure fabric or on the metal. There are also some acrylic pictures as we get towards the sale portion at the end of this video. All of them spectacular, beautiful. They all come with the installation hardware included, and the prices of the exposer fabric are a little bit lower, and the photo itself and the hanging apparatus is lighter, so there's some advantages there. The exposers are real easy to move around and switch positions if you're doing something with an office or something like that. The metal ones are a little more sturdy, heavier, but spectacular and so permanent. So anyway, if you see something you like, feel free to call, email me, text me, whatever, and we can get that to you, any of these, before Christmas. At the end, you'll also see where you can go to BryanDiehlRealtor.com and look up all of the prints that are available right now, and you can have them customized for your size and what you want to print them on. So take a look, enjoy, give me a call, email, text. We can make your Christmas just a little bit happier with a couple of beautiful pictures on the wall. Thanks for watching, and I hope to be talking to you soon.